Stop guessing on why your Microsoft Volume licensing isn't showing up after your purchase. This is exactly how you find your missing contracts without failing once. Most other tutorials for the M365 Admin Center are confusing or just plain wrong because they tell you to wait for a sync that might never happen if your roles are misconfigured. Before we refresh the page again, you need to understand the logic of the volume licensing transition, or you'll just get stuck looking at an empty Your Products tab while your deadline looms. We are doing this hand in hand and step by step right now, so there's no way you can fail to claim what you paid for. Rex is the authority on these enterprise portal fixes because we know that global admin rights do not automatically grant you volume licensing visibility anymore. Look at your billing menu and realize that the old VLSC is dead and your data is now hidden behind a specific VL role that must be manually assigned even to the person who bought the keys. As we get closer to the reveal, you can feel the pressure of unactivated software finally lifting. Here's the secret trick that other creators missed. Even if you're the owner, you often have to go to the Preferences submenu inside the Volume Licensing tab and manually trigger a Sync Permissions request to link your account email with the reseller's contract ID. This pro tip forces a portal to rescan the Microsoft database for any unlinked agreements tied to your domain. To fix your missing Microsoft Volume licensing and prove you are an IT pro, you must go to Billing, then Your Products, select the Volume Licensing tab, and click Manage VL Role Assignments to ensure your specific user account is added as a contract manager. That specific role assignment makes the View Contracts button appear instantly. If you want the direct link to the Microsoft Licensing Support Escalation Form, just drop a comment below. +2,